Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna be showing you a great remedy that will make yellow teeth shine like white. This is literally going to actually remove all of the tartar plaque, remove those yellowness on your teeth, and then it will make your teeth whiter, and it will actually remove bacteria. Okay, so this is baking soda, and I'm gonna be taking, okay guys, so I'm gonna be needing to take 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda. Okay, so this is actually going to help you to remove bacteria and all of that. Okay, but when you're using baking soda for your teeth guys, you have to use it once or twice in a week. Okay, so to protect your teeth enamel. Yeah, so the very next ingredient which we're going to be making use of is lemon. The lemon is citric in nature, and as such it helps so much for the teeth, and it helps to remove bacteria, it helps whiten up the teeth, and it helps to give you a fresher breath. Okay, so I'm going to be pressing in a lemon juice. And then I'll stir. I'm equally going to be making use of Colgate guys. Yeah. Now Colgate is one great ingredient. It helps so much for the teeth, but when you actually add it up with other natural ingredients, it whitens up the teeth like really well, and it also helps to remove cavity and dental plaque, dental tartar, and it keeps your teeth super white. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting just a little bit of rice powder because of the ingredients that rice powder has. Okay, it's gonna help to whiten up your teeth a whole lot. So just a little bit of rice powder to thicken this remedy. Okay guys, so this is perfect, this is great, and this is ready to use. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be using this to remove brown teeth. Yeah, and this is actually a great consistency. Okay guys, so for your yellow teeth remedy, this is the treatment. Yeah, you're gonna be getting a brush, a toothbrush, and you're gonna be getting your solution. Now this particular one, you can use it 2 times in a week. It's actually going to help you to whiten up your teeth, and it's definitely going to help you have that bright smile. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be dipping this into the solution, and then you're gonna be brushing your teeth with it. So you brush in an up and down direction. Look at my teeth. Yeah. Okay guys, so what you do is that after which you have actually brushed your upper teeth, the ingredients is not something you have to swallow, you have to spit it out. Okay, for people who are gonna be asking me, you have to spit it out, and then you brush the inner part of your teeth with it. You brush the upper part. Guys, this is the most important thing. More importantly, you have to brush your tongue, because when if you brush your teeth, at the end of the day you don't get to brush your tongue, your mouth will definitely stink. It will smell. Okay, there's no two ways about that. It's gonna smell. So what you need to do is to brush your tongue as you brush your teeth. Okay, so you're brushing it in a circular motion. Okay, in a circular motion until the white thing, you know, that is resting on your tongue is out, and then you have a fresh breath. Alright guys, so this is my teeth after. There is an improvement. Yeah, where I do this a whole lot, at least once in 2 weeks. Yeah, I do this when I remember, or I do it when I actually want to make a video to show you. Okay, so this is actually very important to keep your teeth good. For this, it's not something you have to make and keep, because it's a once in 1 week treatment, or it's a two times in 1 week treatment. So you cannot keep it. Don't keep it. Just discharge or I don't know, but don't keep it anyway. Okay, so that's it. Go give this a go, and your teeth is going to stay sparkling. It's going to remove tartar, plaque, and it's going to remove bad breath. So I will see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and bye.